Greetings from Stockholm, Sweden. So today, after sightseeing of Stockholm, we're going to nightlife vibes in Stockholm. I'm going to join the party group and organization, the original pub crawl bus. It means this party group with international new people. I booked this organization in Get Your Guides application from iPhone, Samsung, anything. You can book anytime. So this is my second time for pub crawl, but I joined in Sofia pub crawl. So this is my second time experience for me. So let's see. The price was 23 euros per person, including 3 bars and nightclub. So, but the drinks are not included. Only 3 bars and nightclubs. I don't know how many bars or nightclubs we will see tonight with international people. So there are gonna be international new people. You will make new friends in this party group organization. So you're going to have fun in the Stockholm nightlife vibes with pub crawl and actually with VIP entry for nightclub, socializing and new friends. So let's see, they told us meeting point is 9 p.m. So let's vibe. The meeting point is here, generators.
We got 2 balls. Some discounts on all the drinks. So you have to show the wristband to them whenever you're drinking, okay?
I think there are 50 people in this group party. Only 5 girls and 45 boys. It's my first time to join in a lot of boys in this group. Oh my god, that's a boys. Alright, the first bar is there. Alright, so we're going to our second bar now.
They first came out there, right?
So first we arrived to the nightlife street, the nightlife vibes in Stockholm. The name is Stockholm. So let's see. second part. I met many friends from Australian, English, French, Dutch, German, French, many friends. So we're going to Untitled bar or nightclub. So let's see. Alright, so I finished my pub crawl tours. Nightlife, Stockholm Nightlife vibes. So maybe I had fun and messy Stockholm Nightlife vibes. So I met many friends